In Japanese language, we have vertical and horizontal writing. The vertical means from top to bottom, and the horizontal means from left to right. So that's why I got lots of questions from my students. Which writings are commonly used? Which is the standard Japanese writing? And which should I learn? Good questions, but unfortunately, you have to learn both. We use vertical and horizontal writings in our Japanese writings. So let me show you an example. This is newspaper. As you can see, big title we use horizontal writing, and then relatively smaller title we use vertical writings, and the main text we use vertical writing. One newspaper, but mixture of horizontal and vertical writings. Also, this is an example magazine cover, the big title, and then smaller part of the text in the left side corner. Horizontal writings are used, but the main, the center of the magazine, in this magazine example, vertical writings is used. So as you can see, even in the one magazine cover, we use both. In Japanese language, we have vertical and horizontal writings, and unfortunately, we use both writings. So when you learn Japanese language, please try to include both writings and then both writing readings. Okay? Thank you for watching. Please download free Japanese workbooks at funjapaneselearning.com. See you soon. またね